Good morning. Monday, when I'm feeling the message by the time, guys, yes, happy Monday, happy holiday, guys. Hope everybody join the early morning part of the book story, and you can tell it, there's no details, so yes, it's only now 5:30 a.m. And I am the first teacher today is the previous also is my head, but because from my brother the actually that is so it's so and this is the house teacher stuff that the class so that's good to yeah so yeah. But pretty couple but yeah, but it's good enough for the second one though. But yeah, so happy you guys all yes, hope you enjoy the early and one latter part of the work week. So yeah, okay, yeah. Well, yes, so the time for 3 shall be back to school for a while have sorry though see but yeah but we'll see but yeah but but on that there's not here yeah this so yeah but yeah so yeah but yeah but as for last also I will you guys posting on oh if it's not or not but yeah so yeah think experience me now yeah just because totally copy yes oh yeah I could be saying if when we on the school come on yeah so yeah so with that being said I will talk to you guys when Sundays come out the show yeah we guys is Leon in the more now now just at 9 a.m. now yeah and as you can tell the story is probably starting to slow down now but yeah but it's still snowing though but yeah but mainly we still got a lot of snow on the ground though yes but yeah so yeah as you can tell Dad got the driving plowed whiskey yes so well yeah but yeah believe you can tell back now maybe yeah got the TV on in here says I was in the kitchen area all morning though yeah so but yeah but yes but back now yeah so yeah so just give myself set to oh to just watching YouTube on my computer yes so well yeah but yeah So yeah. So overall, these were good though. Not least though. Okay, so now it's me to report them. But yeah, but of course I did hear back from my teachers in the school. Yeah, and it looks like I'm keen. Not just only teams, which is how it'll be. So but yeah. So yeah. So oh. That'd be funny, but yeah. So yeah. So it'll definitely be a lot of reaction to So yes. So that was me to report them otherwise. But yeah. So but yeah. So just hope everyone hearing the she done to enjoy the story though. Yeah. So, she's listening to the other way though. But yeah. So man. But yeah. But but actually, you can tell I'm feeling tired of my skin. This morning since I was weak since what was it, quarter or 10 to 5 this morning. Yeah. Yeah, and I still up since still club it was quarter to 5. But yeah. So man. So that's why let's clip I was talking to you guys and finally it's just a club earlier. But yeah. So but yeah. She's result now 10 of 9 now. So yeah. So man. So yeah. So man. So probably introduce himself in Leonardo and me and my brother made we do we separate over to the different parties but yeah. And that was my first time doing helping with this year since last time I helped him with was where is the last meet for week beginner with this so yeah. So man. So yeah. So yeah. But yeah. So le- let's see it will be in a relaxed in home. But yeah. But but block keep exposure on that cheese. And if we do end up hitting out because if we do we probably will be hitting out it will fall then the probably the deep depot and possibly all the teams playlist. But yeah. So yeah. But yeah. So man. But anyway. So that's all. So I'll pretty much stop talking and I'll oh enjoy the rest of my oh Mondo and the rest of the detail. Yes. So man. Wait, guys, back in the living kitchen now. Yeah. And yeah. And now I figured I'd turn back on the TV now just to have some on in the living room. Yes. But yeah. Yep. I'll put back on MC Boston. But yeah. But yeah. But this evening then the rest of my friend and my mom but a couple Christmas. Yeah. And of course yeah. And my mom probably got a MC Echo, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah. So yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. And then the new we series that we got last last spring. Oh yeah. The only the small we series but pretty still works no problem. But he didn't. I don't like about that is that the TV is up only 3 hours before go back to the guide. So yeah, so well yeah, well, yeah, yep. So so still snowing near the OBS. So well yeah, yeah. And it is about toys that used to be used. So yep, that's the old playmat that we had here. That's the boys color everything and that's your homework and that's all you'll be they just play with yeah so yeah so bây giờ bởi vì the reason why oh chúng ta thời với dòng phóng gì này em có ai mà rồi second purpose on OS bây giờ yeah good kids one good piggy cat OS oh yeah so we have so not much music now oh yeah so yeah so mấy ngày but yeah so definitely that's more the next one yeah so now just 10 now oh yeah so yeah and look at we could always yep so yeah and maybe for to see back in oh people in timeline. So yeah, I mean 15 not bad. So I just put in oh yeah. Yep. There you go, yep. So yes, so yeah. And I'll go let you to expect me now, yeah. And yeah. Color the syrup and the utensils. Oh yeah. A couple of times to use the syrup session. It expires in September and September. Oh yeah. But yeah, and I probably stuff a few months or so ago and 1 month. But yeah. Oh, it's gonna fill up the water, of course. Oh yeah. Grab some utensils too, yep. Yep, mirror what about this molecular and clean tire. Oh, couple of pieces ago, oh yeah. Works pretty good though, but yeah. Yeah. So I grab 2 of these. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, to see this. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And the pictures are pretty much done now. Oh yeah. It's bubbly too. Yep. Okay, the soft good. So yeah. So it's time to finish oh but team will be home. Oh yeah. But yeah. Yep. Yeah, make show you guys the process of me cutting these up but yeah. I should move these first of course. Oh yeah. But yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah, hey guys. Pointing in one direction. Oh yeah, but yeah. Yeah. Yes, not like having 2 breakfasts. on the long day. Oh yeah, yep. I did get up early, but yeah, because I've always had a bagel and quarter to 6 or 6:30 this morning. Oh yeah, but yeah, but how do you need it? I also had a banana for the stacked with my vitamin pill oh early that was code to 9. Oh yeah, so yeah. Yes, but probably gonna have lunch by the mid and afternoon. Oh yeah, so that'd be good. Oh yeah, it's got because I always got to eat lime. How do you guys? So yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Here we go. Right. Okay. Just gotta put on the syrup. Yep. Oh yeah, it's very good syrup. Oh yeah. Here. Oh yeah. Should fill up the whole pancake. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yep. But yeah. And that's how you make the how you cook a a pancake but yeah, egg pancake dish. But yeah. So I'm gonna have it now, and yeah, and I'm going to go to next the rest of the day and night. Yeah. So we'll talk to you guys later on today. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm outdoors now, yeah, and as you can tell, we still got a lot of snow on the ground over there, though, but yeah. Yep, but at least it is finally dried up now. Oh yeah, and it's only speaking out, and the time's over, yeah. So yeah. But man, do we got a lot of oh yeah. So man, but anyway, yep. So this is like a shovel though got to shovel out the garage area. Yes, it's completely snow covered. But yeah. But yeah, and weather will be coming out soon as well. So that'll be so much need help though. But yeah, I'm gonna shovel out this city with my brother's car's parked to it. Yeah, and we also gonna do the step area. But yeah, so fun step this. But yeah, so man. So overall these are good though. Now just to report I was on my computer pretty much all morning and going into the afternoon though. But yeah, I was on watching some YouTube and played some Roblox, which was pretty fun. But yeah, played a couple games. Next one just is survival and at a better sound here. But yeah, so yeah, that was fun. Yeah, and on that I have lunch and and also make me to the full ticket for a day. But yeah, so well yeah, but really now that I'm outdoors, I just give myself ready. So after I'll be working on the vlogs from yesterday. So yeah, so well yeah. So yeah, so this is first pleasure at the snow this month. But yeah, so well yeah, so there's you now give it a plus while talk to you guys around on shoveling. Well guys, I'm outdoors now in it and I was so after the last sleep I was
of the OBS and yeah, and yeah, and so when I at sunset as well, though, yeah, but I figured I'd just show you guys the snow that we were very shovel earlier, and yeah, first of all, I'm show you guys the the Christian which is buried in the snow over here, but yeah. One day we I got the front step oh shoved out and yeah, and yeah, and Louis Louis buried in the snow the voice on the question is, but yeah, but yeah, so yeah, yep, and yeah, and we got the and I got the big white door I was shoved down now, and yeah, and this is what we put on he got the small door oh so shoved down and passed to the garbage bin area, but yeah, and he also oh actually the cities in cleared up yet, but yeah, but yeah. But that was over earlier, and the cloud, as you mentioned, the guys in the last crypto. But yeah, so yes, so we've done a pretty good job after the snowfall. Yeah, he's used it twice, once this morning, once earlier this afternoon. But yeah, so wait on, yeah, yep. So just want to go out there to quickly show you guys the process of the progress I see of what we did with the garbage. Oh yeah, I'll show you with the showing. Oh yeah, I'll show you for the better English up. But yeah, so wait on. But yeah, so what's it going from shoveling? I basically yesterday's vlog edit and rendered and export, yeah, and yeah, and and of course I'll be getting upload them and should be usual, yeah, as you can tell I'm with my channel, but yeah, so it has been at least though not least though, but yeah, so man, but yeah, and also listen to some hit music from on the CD from 29 now 14, but yeah, so that was fun, lots of tracks that I haven't heard in a while, but yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so it's good to hear all that sounds not least, so yes, so yeah, so anyway my on so I'm just now get myself set to watch the news and have some and relax for the rest of the night though. But yes, so there won't be much of vlog up to this point. But yes, but I will talk to you guys at the very end of the vlog anyway. Wait guys, it's that time again I got a bit set again, yeah, and yeah, and as you can tell I got the fan on just to throw out the noise that there is down in the main part house, and since we got copy over today though, but yeah, so man, but overall it was good by the detail, but yeah, so yeah, so I thought the deal was going on though, but of course so was I pretty much occupied myself toward the day by watching some YouTube and doing gaming and shopping and listening to music though, but yeah, so yeah, but in the end it was a good day though, but yeah, but of course yeah, but we'll be back to school looking forward to be good. Oh yeah, it's very my first day back to school of the new year, but yeah, so like I said on previous vlogs, I am so look forward to seeing my friends in the school though, but yeah, so yeah, and look forward to more fun times in this year though. But yeah, so well, yeah, yes, but for now, as you can tell, I am feeling tired now. Since it's been a long day though. But yeah, so yeah. But maybe another long day too. But at least it will go by pretty smoothly. With the for fun that have as always in the school though. But yes, so well, yeah, but yeah, but with that being said, I better give myself set for bed, and I'll talk to you guys basically in the early tomorrow morning. So over and out.